In this video, we're diving into setting up an AI event rule. The rules page allows you to select event triggers like object detection or camera disconnection and configure specific actions to execute when those events occur. We'll start by going to Settings, then navigating to Rules, and click Create a new rule. The goal today is to set up an intrusion rule using the camera's AI capabilities, ensuring we get notified instantly when someone enters a restricted area. Select the detection in the area, so the detection in this particular camera. A warning sign pops up, reminding you that you need to define an area for the rule to work. Add a polygon to create the custom zone. This area is now set to detect intrusion. And what exactly do you want to be alerted on? Not vehicles or anything else, just people intruding. As well as the alert, let's create a bookmark. Capture 15 seconds after the event and 10 seconds before the event so that you can see the intrusion coming. Alright, the rule is created and saved. Now let's switch to live view. A man is walking into the zone to test the rule. He'll even pretend to steal the bag to ensure the evidence is captured. Let's check the bookmarks now. Yep, it successfully created an intruder bookmark at that particular time. Clicking on it, you can see the 10 seconds before and the 15 seconds afterwards minus 25 seconds in total. It is easy enough to export the video as a clip. Open it up in the folder, and there is your evidence. That's how to create an AI rule.